regardless of the participation of the Vice President, and even in her absence, this committee will proceed. We will do our duty with resolve, without hesitation, and without delay. We now call the case.
Bilang isang ina, isang lola, at isang taong minsan nakaranas kung paano gamitin ang kapangyarihan laban sa iyo, hindi ako pwedeng tumahimik kapag hustisya at katotohanan na ang pinag-uusapan.
Pinalaki ako sa Iloilo na hindi pangkaraniwan, hindi espesyal, katulad ang buhay namin ng pangkaraniwang Ilonggo. At natutuwa ako na ang ganong pagpapalaki ay naparamdam ang totoong buhay ng Pilipino, ang totoong buhay ng mga Ilonggo sa aming probinsya. Kasama ito sa paghamon ko. That's why this impeachment is very important for me, because this is a big step towards integrity in public service. Kung walang sala, dapat i-acquit. Kung nagkasala, dapat i-convict at tanggalin sa pwesto.
Growing up, I loved comics. And the one who stayed with me was Iron Man. Not because he was perfect, because he wasn't. And he stood up anyway. He was an ordinary man, no superpowers, who chose to use everything he had to protect others. That's what public service really asks of us. The courage to stand your ground when the pressure is immense, to speak when silence is safer.
Central yung papel ng pong student politics, no, doon sa buong buhay ko sa high school at sa universidad. Malaking bahagi po roon yung siyempre pagkakaroon po talaga ng malinaw na panindigan para sa kapakanan po ng bayan.
At the end of the day, hindi ito tungkol sa kulay o kampo. Bilang abogado, ang tungkulin ko ay hanapin ang katotohanan, ilatag ang ebidensya, at siguraduhin manaig ang justisya sa tamang proseso.
And maybe that's why our generation also asks harder questions. We challenge systems. We demand transparency. It's about the kind of democracy my generation will inherit and eventually leave behind.
I'm a very hands-on and doting mom. Doon nanggagaling ang motivation ko sa pagiging isang prosecutor. When you value your family deeply, you also value integrity, stability, and truth.
Dala ko pa rin ang pagiging batang Quiapo. May ingay, may emosyon, pero sa gitna ng lahat ng yun, kailangan mo pa rin hanapin kung nasaan ang katotohanan.
Ang pagpili sa akin bilang miyembro na prosecutor ay hindi lang malaking oportunidad at hindi lang malaking hamon, kundi malaking atas na ipaliwanag sa mga mamayan para saan ito at kaninong kinabukasan na pinag-uusapan natin.
People often see someone like me as the underdog, but they forget all dogs have teeth, even the so-called underdogs. And when truth is under attack, you learn that staying silent is never an option.
Public office is a public trust. Public officials are accountable to the people at all times. Kapag may katiwalian, dapat may pananagutan. Kung mas matimbang ang ebidensya ng depensa, dapat i-acquit, dapat pawalang sala. Pero kung mas matibay ang ebidensya ng prosekusyon, dapat i-convict, dapat managot. The 11 prosecutors have a very clear resolve. We stand for the Constitution. We stand for accountability mechanism. We stand for the best interest of every Filipino across the world. Sama-sama po tayong maging bahagi ng paggulong ng demokrasya sa ating bansa. Let us uphold the supremacy of the sovereign Filipino people. Para po ito sa lahat ng Pilipino, sa ating mga anak, apo, at mga darating pang henerasyon. Today, let us all stand at the right side of the Philippine history. Mabuhay ang bansang Pilipinas.
Tutukan ang kwento sa likod ng paninindigan ng 11 kongresista na haharap sa isa sa pinakamabigat at pinakamakasaysayang paglilitis sa bansa.